Good morning, everybody. It's time for another shave. And for today's shave, I'm gonna be using Noble Otter Italian Summer. There's no good way to see the label. Anyway, it looks great. Look at that otter. Looks great. That's what was recommended to me, so I grabbed it with the last huge expanding, and of course I'm gonna use the matching splash. I thought about toner, but no, it's a splash. For the brush, I'm gonna be using my always have to turn them around Grizzly Bay. Pretty matchy, a little bit. Looks great. G5C 26 millimeter, dry loaded. And for the razor, somebody's gonna be happy for this today video. The other razors that I got, the Mühle Rocca with what blade is? The Gillette Silver Blue. Second use. Funny thing that I grabbed two razors with a wooden handle on the last haul, but I have more razors coming. Hope everybody's doing well in this somewhat chilly, it's not that chilly, but it's good temperature in the 50s in Florida. So it's good. Now later on it's gonna go up, so my hopes are not that great for the day. So far so good. So today is for Italian summer. And today I received two more packages. I have shaving stuff. I think I can make videos until next year. Don't go crazy like me buying shit. But yeah, I love how Noble Otter performed yesterday. I would put it on the same level as on the realm of McDuff and Singari, man. Which also I have a soap coming from Singari. And the knot is a little bit loose. Let's see if it goes flying later on. Yeah, it needs water. So I'm looking forward for the razor. Lubo, my dear friend Lubo, recommended that razor forever. Since I got the first Mühle, the anniversary edition. So he was always recommending the Rocca after that. And I had a gift card for Shave Nation and I didn't know what to buy at their site. Because I'm like, I already have balls and lately I'm more face lathering. And I'm happy with my caterings. So, didn't want a bowl. Already have a ton of razors. And then I saw the Rocca and I'm like, huh. And it had a discount, of course, on Black Friday. Oh, plus the gift card. It dropped it down to a good, very reasonable price. So I grab it. And then I have like, I don't know how many, like 3 more razors. One is gonna take a while because it's the carved bison. So that one is until Chris managed to ship them. But I'm in no hurry. It's not like I need razor. Have plenty of them, so I can wait for the shipping. Also got a new handle, which probably gonna use it with one of the Noble Otters. The Highlander that I ordered like, I don't know how many months ago, but due to the shipping issues that happened, pretty much got stuck in Montenegro for a while. Yeah, at least there. Let's see if Lubo's razor can please me, how good it is. Should be good. Yeah. Very good. Yep. Smooth. Doesn't have much blade feel. Yeah, easy daily. Easy daily razor. I see why Lubo likes it. Yep. Pretty nice razor. Very nice. Well built. Tasting soap. Yeah, Lubo, it's a nice razor. It's a very nice razor. Compared to the one that I used yesterday, the other one is milder and smoother. But it also costs $100 more. There's so many options today. Yeah, easy. Easy going against the grain somewhat, in my case, since my hair grows diagonal. It's kind of weird. The little growth that I get. Very nice. Noble Otter is performing well. Also, I have another MacDuff coming. My God, and so many decoration ruins too. I need to buy a rack or something to organize all the mess that I have of soaps. It's been a while since they don't fit in here. Probably, definitely, I went over 200 now. Haven't checked, but I'm pretty sure I'm over 200. Very nice. Has a different feeling going across the skin. Could be the finish on the razor. But it's a nice one. Nice one, nice one. Also, you can find it cheaper if you go for another handle. The other handles are cheaper than the wood one. Or wooden one. This one is birch, I think it is. Yeah, a little bit of water. It's a nice looking razor. Now that I think about it, I didn't pick up much on the scent note of the soap. Completely forgot about the soap. Chris Leather, yeah, he told me that it's very weak, the scent on this one, and I believe so. I didn't even realize that. I never got a scent. Smells something on the top, but very, very light. Very light. Pretty sure. Should be pretty clean. Yeah, except this area. This area is very hard for me to get a BBS. Not gonna fight it because I'm probably gonna be shaving every day now. For a bit. No reason to chase the BBS. But it was a nice shave. Yeah, I don't get anything. Might as well be unscented. Now for the splash, hopefully on the splash I get it. I haven't used the splash, so hopefully I get something. Oh yeah. Yeah, the splash has scent. Definitely some citrus with some herbal or something like that. Maybe spices. Yeah, it smells nice. Smells really nice. The soap? No. But I go nose blind to the soap most of the time, so. I know. Why keep buying soap when you go to nose blind to them? I'm special. But anyway, it was a great shave. The razor performed really well. Really well, really well. Milder. It's smooth, but it's not glass smooth on the skin. I think it's because of the finish. But it did great. Fairly efficient enough. And funny thing also, doesn't have the lather channels. But I didn't have any issues, although I didn't have much to take off too, so. But anyway, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you for watching as always, and I guess I'll see you on the next shave. Have a great day.